Hello everyone, and welcome to PassFab channel. If you want to remove the lock screen from your Android phone, maybe because you forgot your password or PIN, or someone changed it, the situation can be very frustrating. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Android device lock screen, PIN, or password if you've forgotten it. We're going to use a professional tool called PassFab Android Unlock software. This software can remove Android lock screens, passwords, and factory reset protection. Download and install it using the links in the video description below. Launch the software and you'll see the main interface. Connect your Android phone to the computer with a USB cable. Select Remove Screen Lock, choose your phone model, in this case Samsung, and make sure the first option is selected in the drop-down menu. Note that this process will erase all device data. Click Start and then Yes. The screen lock removal process will begin. And you'll be shown the steps to put your phone into recovery mode. If you use a Samsung device like this one, press the volume down and power keys at the same time. The shutdown menu will appear, and then the screen will turn off. When the screen goes off, keep holding the power button, but switch your other finger from the volume down button to the volume up button. After a few seconds, the Samsung logo will appear. Release all the buttons, and the Android recovery menu will show up. Use the volume buttons to move through the options, and use the power button to confirm. Scroll down to Wipe Data/Factory Reset, select it, and confirm. When you go back to the menu, scroll down and select Wipe Cache Partition. Confirm again. Then, from the menu, select Reboot System Now and wait a few seconds. Your phone will restart, and you'll see the welcome screen to set up your device. When the phone boots up again, you'll find that the screen lock has been removed. You can now set up your device as new. In a few seconds, you'll be back on the Android home screen. This is how you remove your Android phone, screen lock, PIN, or password. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.